I am Jaibala and I am the class teacher of SrKg B. Now, as you all know, we have been learning the words from the different vowel families. We learned the words from the A vowel families and now we are learning the words from the E vowel families. Now, today, we are going to learn two E vowel families, which are the EN and the EG word family. Now, the EN word family, can you all tell me? I know you all know the drill, right? So, can you all tell me what sound does the letters make? E makes F and N makes N. N. E makes F and N makes N. F, N, N. Yes? So, all the words in the EN word family, they end with the letters E and N and they make the sound E, N at the end. Alright? Now, let's see which words are a part of the EN word family. Alright. What happens if we add the letter P before ENN? Can you all tell me? Can you all tell me? I know you all can. What sound do these letters make? Let's say it out. P, E, N. P, E, N. Pen. Pen, the one that we use for writing. Yes. So we get the word pen. Alright. And pen belongs to the EN word family. What happens when we write the letter M in front of EN? It becomes the word M, E, N, men. M, E, N, men. M, E, N, men. M-E-N, men. Now, what is ben? You remember the word from the AN word family that we learned, which was M and a man? That is one. M and a men is lots of men. When lots of men gather together, it is the word men. Alright? Now the next word in the EN word family. What is this? It's the letter D. The sound that the letter D makes is D. D, N, den. D, N, den. What is a den? A lion's den, a tiger's den. Haven't we heard of these words? Yes, a den is the home of a lion or a tiger. All right. Oh, what is this? We know this word. Do we need the letter? Yes, we do, because we need to sound them out. H, E, N, hen. Correct. The word hen belongs to the EN word family. Is that okay? All right, children. Good job. Now tell me this. We know this word. We know the spelling. We know this number name. It is N, 10. Very good. 10. The number 10. All right. Let's move on. Now we are going to learn the words from the EG word family. Now the EG word family makes the sound E, G at the end of the word. So all the words from the EG word family, they end with the letters ENG and they make the sound egg at the end of the word. Egg. Alright, let's see. Which words belong to the EG word family? What is this? B-E-G, beg. B-E-G, beg. Beg is a, you must have seen people begging when we go out with our mamas and dadas on the road, right? All right, so that is beg. All right, when we are asking for something, all right, asking desperately, okay, not just asking, but when we really need something and we have desperate, please give me, please give me, that is beg, right? The next word that belongs to the EG word family is, can you all read it? Did I hear a L? Correct. L, E, G, leg. We all have two legs, right? L, E, G, leg. All right. Let's What word is this? Who can tell me? P-E-G, peg. What is a peg? You have seen the wooden clips or the plastic clips that we use to dry our clothes? Yes, that's a peg. P-E-G, peg. All right. So these are all the words from the EG and the EN word families. So now we are going to learn these words and write them. All right. So until we next time, till we come back with more words, learn new words. This is Jaibala Rao signing off on behalf of Rejoice International School.